What's good with y'all? Boy! Say nah, that's so Illuminati. I'm not him. What's good, man? Hey, I'm back. It's been like 2 years almost since I posted a YouTube video. I'm back though, and a lot of stuff has changed. I got different goals that I gotta meet, especially when it comes to my lifestyle of living. When it comes to getting my own place. And I just graduated college. I'm currently trading in the market now. I have short-term goals. I got long-term goals I need to meet, and it all starts with the mind, and the body will follow. So just keep note of that. I'm not gonna lie. I need a water break already, and we already 30 seconds in. Yeah, man. So I'm here. I'm grinding, and I'm currently trading options, and I got a mentor, and I just been jumping the gun, and I just want you guys to be here through this journey so I can show you this will change my life. And guess what? You guys are going to see every step of the way. I've been gone for some quiet time. I just left y'all hanging. I just went ghost. Like, literally. I jumped the gun when I was like 17 years old working at Walmart, and just thought to myself that I can't keep working a 9 to 5 for the rest of my life. But this is a typical story everyone has when they make it, right? And I didn't make it yet. I have ways to go. But I will. I will make it. I will be comfortable. I have no choice, okay? I will be comfortable, alright? I have no choice. And nobody's gonna stand in my way for that. But it all starts with God. At the end of the day, it all starts with God. So, but let me tell you something. I was working at Walmart, and I was like, dang, let me tap into Amazon FBA, right? And then that didn't go well. So I was like, dang, let me tap into Shopify. I was like, dang, okay, got banned from Shopify, right? So I would try things and not stick with it, right? And end up becoming unprofitable. Spend thousands of dollars, become unprofitable. Then I was like, bang, let me try YouTube, right? And I'm doing good on YouTube. I love YouTube. But what I was doing content wise was not it. I knew that what I was doing, the pranking, all that, like, it was all that's temporary. That's not what I want to do. That's not what I want to be known for. What I want to do is present educational wellness when it comes to you guys, so you can see what I'm doing. And I have a mentor for all of this when it comes to trading. I've been trading. I started trading last year. Yeah, first it was forex, and I wasn't profitable with forex. But I was still sticking with trading. Right, forex is just you're trading currency pairs, different countries, currency pairs like the euro, the Canadian, the Japanese, all that stuff, the USD, and then I moved into futures, trying to do futures, but I can't do futures because I work a 9 to 5, and you have to be up every morning 9:30. You got to be up on a computer 9:30 a.m. every morning to actually catch volatility in the market. So, and I can't do that because I have another job I'm already in, and that doesn't work out for me either. Last month, I came to options. It's like, okay, let me do options. And I have done options before, right? I have done options before, but the way I've done options was terrible. Do not recommend doing this. You know what? I'm not even gonna tell you what I did because I don't want you to do it. You know what? No, I'm gonna tell you. Fine. I'm gonna tell you. I had no trading plan. I was going off what other people would say, and I would always trade during earnings. Bro, I don't know why I was doing this. I do not recommend doing that at all. Don't do it, because guess what? It's gambling. What's between 5 and 8? It's like, nah, I'm playing. Let me chill out. But yeah, it's gambling. I don't recommend doing that. But now I got a mentor. I got a trading plan. It all starts with the mindset. You know, trading is 80% psychology, and then the 20% is the skill. Guess what? This teaches me a lot. You need to read, man. There's hidden gems in those books, man. But yeah, man, y'all gonna see my journey when it comes to options. And you are going to see me scale. Cause I'm going to scale. And I don't want you to miss out. I want you to be there. Let's throw that in. Never be satisfied. We're sharks. You gotta go get it. Regardless. Oh, and meet your expectations? Cool. Have another set of expectations. You're sharks. Yeah, man, this is currently my setup. Got the bleach wallpaper with the Kakashi. Got my cars. Feel me? Yeah. I got you. I got this baby going up. You see that beautiful pullback? Beautiful. That's a beautiful pullback. This is what I call a bullish trend of structure, right? Anyway, once I see that full engulfing candlestick, I'm shooting in, man. Hopefully we could hit up here for TP, take profit. But I may take profit at 50%, but hey, man, it is what it is. That joint too tough. The orange one is too. Oh my gosh, that orange one is so tough. But that white one tough too, boy. Bro, I need more cologne. But yeah, man, I'm about to eat, so I'll be right back as soon as I eat, bro. Boy, what I'm about to eat, about to be delicious, bro. You feel me? Delicioso. You know, let me tell you something. This is off topic, but I ain't never had an over easy egg until like 2 months ago, bro. I eat over easy eggs nonstop. I used to think over easy egg was like, oh, that joint's still raw, bro. Over easy egg go dumb. Got the over runny egg with the rice and the steak and the barbecue sauce with the olive oil and this. Daggone. No Bev. No Bev. Oh, I got a light colorants for grind mode, right? A light colorants for grind mode. Colorants, I don't know if it's a word, but it's a word today. Let's go. Blue, green, blue, blue, and guess what? Blue, and guess what? Grind time. Let's get it.
Cover my face with my hoodie on this cold road, trying to break the bank till my pockets getting more growth. I know you see me coming up with these goals, got me shows in the Gold Coast and hoes, but we don't post those. A young man living out his dream and then he goes home to pops having problems with his heart, and like he knows those moments that we got left for getting numbered, but he tells his son the world is in your hands.
It's currently 8:33 p.m. You know, we started at 6. I actually got 3 trades in. It's looking good. It's looking good, man. Looking good. I just want to let you know, keep grinding. Keep grinding, man. And you got to be repetitive when it comes to the things you do in life. You want to be as consistent as possible, man. Have a positive attitude. Even when you don't feel like doing it, just do it. Just do it. I still struggle with that as we speak. See, I want this to be like the gym, you know? I want what I'm doing skill-wise to be like the gym when it comes to trading. I compare this to the gym in a way, because when I started in the gym, I started back in 2022, like late 2022, early 2023. It's 2025 now, right? I was skinny, man. I was bony, and I'm like 6'3", pushing 6'4". I had a bird chest, and I remember my friend Adrian, we would go in the gym, and my first time benching, he lifting like it's nothing. So whatever 45 times 3 is, that's how much I started benching, right? And I couldn't bench it. I couldn't do 1 rep, bro. I couldn't even do 1 rep. And that's how it is with trading when I first started. But guess what? Throughout my gym and fitness journey, bro, I'm benching now. My max is like 275. That's my max. That's like 2 plates on each side and a 25. Plus the bar. The progress is possible, bro. The progress is there. You just gotta go get it. And whatever you learn is visible. What you don't learn or what you're missing is invisible to you. Just because it's invisible to you, that doesn't mean it's nothing there. There's always something there in the back end. You just gotta find it. You gotta seek it. Don't be lazy. And lock in. Catch you.